Welcome to the We Robot event. We have something truly exciting lined up for tonight. I think you're going to enjoy everything we've prepared. As you may have noticed, I just arrived in a new fully autonomous Robotaxi called the Cybercab. This is one of many, there are around 20 of them operating right now, and more are on the way. These vehicles are driving completely on their own. There are no drivers inside. You'll see cars cruising by, moving without any human assistance. Tonight, we have about 50 fully self-driving vehicles active, including different versions like the Model Y and the Cybercab. Every one of them is running without a human driver. You'll also get a chance to ride inside the Cybercab yourself. It's completely redesigned, it doesn't have a steering wheel or pedals. There are no traditional controls. You just get in, select your destination, and the car takes care of the rest. It's simple, futuristic, and incredibly efficient. We believe the cost of using autonomous transport will be extremely low enough to change how people view personal travel. Think of it like your own private version of public transportation. For example, the average cost to operate a city bus per mile, excluding the subsidized ticket price, is about $1. But with Cybercab, we expect that cost to drop significantly. Over time, we believe the operational cost of a Cybercab will be around 20 cents per mile. After taxes and additional fees, the final price to the customer could end up being around 30 to 40 cents per mile, which is still incredibly affordable compared to current options. And yes, people will be able to buy one for personal use. We expect the starting price to be under $30,000, which puts it well within reach for many consumers. This marks a turning point in how we think about car ownership and travel. We're also planning to begin fully autonomous, unsupervised driving with our full self-driving, FSD, technology next year. This will start in places like Texas and California, using vehicles like the Model 3 and Model Y. Then, not long after, we aim to go into production with the Cybercab, which is specially designed to be a ride-hailing vehicle optimized for American roads and urban travel. If I had to guess, though I'm often a little optimistic, we'd probably be looking at full production beginning sometime in 2026. That's realistic, and to keep things safe, let's just say definitely before 2027. When you enter the vehicle, it feels surreal. There's no steering wheel, no pedals, nothing familiar. But it still feels great. It's like stepping into a car from the future. And to make the experience even smoother, we're rolling out wireless charging. The Cybercab doesn't have a charging cable or port. Instead, it simply pulls over a wireless charging pad and charges automatically. This is the kind of seamless design we've always wanted. But what happens when you need something bigger than a Model Y? That's where our newest project comes in, the Robovan. The Robovan is something we've developed to handle high-capacity needs. It's designed for both transporting people and carrying goods across cities. This new vehicle can hold up to 20 people at once. It's perfect for things like transporting a sports team, organizing group travel, or simply running citywide shuttle services. It can also be converted to carry packages or supplies. We see it being used in high-density areas where travel costs need to be as low as 5 to 10 cents per mile. Some people have started calling it the Robovan, and honestly, we don't mind. It fits. When you see one of these coming down the road, it'll definitely grab your attention. Now let's talk about what's next, robots. Everything we've built into our vehicles, batteries, advanced motors, powerful software, high-efficiency gearboxes, and cutting-edge AI processors, also applies to our work on humanoid robots. Instead of a robot with wheels, imagine a robot with arms and legs. That's Optimus. Our humanoid robot is making great progress. We started with a human wearing a robot costume, just to show the idea. But since then, the improvements have been massive. Year after year, we've upgraded its capabilities, movement, and intelligence. If you keep projecting the pace of these improvements, you'll see that Optimus is headed toward becoming something remarkable, something that everyday people can own. Imagine having your own personal robotic assistant, like an R2-D2 or C-3PO from the movies, but real. Long term, we believe we can get the cost of an Optimus robot down to between $20,000 and $30,000, and potentially even lower with mass production. That's cheaper than most new cars. It's going to take time to get there, but that's where we're headed. And the robot won't be limited to one or two tasks. It will be able to help in countless ways. Optimus will be able to tutor your children, help take care of elderly family members, walk your dog, mow your lawn, clean your home, and even do grocery shopping. It can assist in hospitals, schools, restaurants, or simply serve as a companion. Think about what this means for people with physical disabilities, or elderly individuals who want to live independently. With Optimus, we're talking about a robot that can serve as both a helper and a friend. The tech inside Optimus is a direct result of our innovations in EVs and autonomous driving. The brain of the robot uses the same inference hardware as our FSD computer, and it's constantly learning from the environment using similar neural networks and data systems. We've already taught Optimus to do complex tasks like folding laundry, moving fragile items, and walking over uneven terrain. It can pick up objects, use tools, and follow detailed instructions. Over time, these robots will become even more adaptive and intelligent. We imagine a future where every home could have one or more humanoid robots working alongside people, making daily life easier. Whether in factories, homes, offices, or farms, these machines will have a massive impact. Optimus is just the beginning. It's a signal that we're entering a new age of artificial intelligence and robotics, where machines don't just sit in a lab, they become part of everyday life. We're building something that will change the way the world works. We believe these robots will help people focus on creative, emotional, or strategic tasks, while the robots handle the repetitive, dangerous, or physically demanding work. That's how we see it. And it's coming much sooner than most people think. There's still a lot of work ahead. We need to improve reliability, speed, software intelligence, and safety systems. But with every new version of Optimus, we're getting closer to that goal. We're also focused on making them safe and trustworthy. Every Optimus robot will be designed with safety protocols, emotion recognition, voice interaction, and emergency response behaviors. In the next few years, you may find yourself living in a world where a robot walks your kids to school in the morning, helps clean up dinner in the evening, and keeps an eye on the house overnight. It's not just science fiction anymore, it's engineering in real time. This is where the future is heading. And we want to bring you along for the journey.